Most people don't overspend during the holidays because they're irresponsible. They overspend because this season is full of traps designed to drain your bank account. Here's something wild. According to NerdWallet, the average American plans to spend around $1,100 on holiday gifts this year, and 31% of shoppers still haven't paid off last year's holiday purchases. So today, I'm walking you through 4 traps to watch out for so you can actually enjoy the holiday season without the financial regret that usually shows up soon after. Hey, if you're new, my name is Obi, and I've spent years working in the finance industry, and I've seen how these small holiday spending habits can snowball fast. But the good news? Most of these traps are completely avoidable once you know what to look out for. So let's break down each one and how you can stay ahead of them this year. All right, trap number 1 is the holiday deals with ongoing costs. See, a lot of holiday spending doesn't actually come from the gift itself. It comes from the ongoing costs that are attached to it. Let's start with free trials. Around the holidays, free trials are everywhere. Streaming, bundles, memberships, expedited shipping. You sign up thinking that you'll cancel sometime later on, but then you forget. And next thing you know, you're paying $12, $15, maybe $40 each month for a service that you signed up for. And next are store credit cards. This one catches a lot of people. You know, when you're at the checkout and the cashier offers you 20% off if you open a store credit card before paying. It sounds pretty great, right? But here's what a lot of people don't realize. A lot of these cards have interest rates over 28%. Some cards will charge you annual fees. You get a hard inquiry on your credit report. And while I don't recommend carrying a balance, if you do end up paying interest, it can completely wipe out that discount that you just got. So here's the thing. These deals may save you money in the short run, but in the long term, the cost can far outweigh those immediate savings. All right, number 2 is the buy now, pay later trap. And this one is super common, especially during the holidays. Buy now, pay later options make everything look way cheaper than they actually are. A $200 cart suddenly becomes just 4 easy payments of $50. It doesn't sound so bad, right? But here's where it gets messy. You stack multiple buy now, pay later plans across different stores. You don't feel the immediate effects of the money that you just spent. Then all those payments start hitting weeks later when money's already getting tight. And suddenly you're juggling 6, 8, 10 auto withdrawals. See, a recent LendingTree survey even showed that 41% of buy now, pay later users reported making late payments, which can have significant consequences. Buy now, pay later isn't inherently bad, but it does make it a lot easier to overspend without realizing it. And real quick, if you want to free up an extra $200 this week to put towards gifts, savings, or paying down debt, I put together a practical guide with 5 easy ways to do exactly that. It's completely free, and the link is down in the description if you want to grab it. All right, trap number 3 is the return policy trap. Now, this one happens after the purchase, and a lot of people don't catch it until it's too late. During the holidays, return policies can get complicated. Electronics often have restocking fees. Some holiday items become final sale. Return shipping can cost as much as the actual gift, and certain return windows close earlier than normal. So a deal that looked good in December can end up costing you money in January if you didn't read the fine print. Before you buy, especially online, just take a second to check the return policy. All right, this next trap is one that tempts me every single year because it always makes me feel like I'm being financially responsible. And that's the post-holiday clearance trap. Right after major holidays, so many things go on clearance. You see all the signs for 70% off, final sale, and suddenly you're buying decorations for next year, big bags of candy, new clothes, all because the discount feels like it's too good to pass up. But here's the thing. If you don't need it and you weren't planning on buying it before the sale, you're not really saving money. You're spending it. So just to pull everything together, a lot of holiday financial stress doesn't actually come from the gifts themselves. It comes from the traps around them. Things like the free trials, the store credit cards, the buy now, pay later plans, the tricky return policies, and those holiday clearance sales. They add up faster than a lot of people realize. But Once you know what to watch out for, it gets a lot easier to enjoy the season and protect your money at the same time. If you want to keep learning and stay ahead financially, go ahead and check out the video on the screen that YouTube feels that you'll like most. And if you got value out of this video, make sure to like and subscribe as it does support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.